Guide, how to change the power plan to high performance in Windows 11. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing the power plan in Windows 11 to high performance. This power plan prioritizes performance by allowing your system to use more energy, which is ideal for demanding tasks like gaming or video editing, but may reduce battery life on laptops. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Open Settings. Press Windows I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. 2. Go to Power and Battery Settings. In the Settings window, click on System from the left-hand menu, then click on Power and Battery. 3. Access additional power settings. Scroll down to the Related Settings section and click on Additional Power Settings. 4. Select High Performance. In the Power Options window, you'll see different power plans. Click on High Performance to select it. Note, if the High Performance plan isn't visible, click on Show Additional Plans to display more options. 5. Save Changes. Once selected, the system will automatically switch to the High Performance mode. By following these steps, your system will be optimized for speed and performance at the cost of more energy consumption, particularly useful for tasks requiring higher system resources.